think I see a castle. I think. Oh, there's the castle. It's a castle. Hello world, it's your Unkle Heavy. Today I'm on location in Geneva, New York. That behind me is called Belhurst Castle. Michelle and I are up here for the weekend to check out the Finger Lakes and go spend the night in a castle. So we're gonna bring you along, do a little bit of a room tour, check out the grounds. It'll be a short one, but it'll be a fun one. No tickets required today. Let's go see what kind of trouble we can get into. Do come along.
Camcorder. Mine. No way.
We're supposed to go to the suit of armor and then go up the stairs. Okay? I just want to stop and get a look at the staircase here. This is quite amazing. Look at, we have musicians greeting us. Stopping to take a look at this hallway here. Look at that mirror. This is truly a castle. Truly a castle. Main staircase coming up. Floor below. Study. The tower. This is us, 111. Wow. Would you look at this room here? Look at how high that ceiling is. Take a little tour around the room here. There's a magnificent mirror and dresser here. We've got a coffee maker and a little dorm fridge. Looks like there's some complimentary water and coffee for the morning. And this bed, I mean, it's like, wow. Look at it. Little tiny TV. Looks like it's got 2 deadbolts. I always love these little windows over the door. They have a special name for them and I can never remember what they're called, but a window over the door. Got a little bit of old wiring here in the closet. That's kind of neat though. Ironing board and iron. A couple of terry cloth robes. And a luggage rack. Lamp's kind of interesting. It looks a bit old. A nice little bathroom. Looks like a typical hotel bathroom. Hello. They even left us a couple of chocolates on the pillow. This is an enormous dresser with a huge mirror and bureau right here. We have this staircase that goes up to the grand reveal. Looks like we got a nice balcony. And just look at that view right there. Wow. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I could get used to having this view full time. That's for sure. Kind of see the architecture here. Oh, by the way, the beautiful Mrs. Heavy is here with us today. Hi, Michelle. Yeah, I guess when you stay in a castle, this is what they mean by staying in a castle. Look at this room. Huh. I just can't get over the size of this room. Huge! I have to point this out because Michelle just figured it out. This room, from this angle, does kind of resemble the stretching room in the Haunted Mansion. Yeah, if it's dark enough, look. Wait, There's always my way. Oh, hang on. I gotta be a total dork about this. There's always my way. Yeah. Dork. We're gonna go check out and see one of the cool little benefits of staying here. Check this out. So look at this little feature. This is a complimentary wine spigot. And now, is this living the life or what?
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. A little dry, but it's good. Life is good. Life is made up of a bunch of life is good moments, and I believe right now is certainly one of them. Although this tree might disagree with me. And this is what it's all about. There's the castle. Right there's our room. Very, 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 very. I need to throw one more very in there. Very cool. And this is Seneca Lake. Having one of those moments where I've got nothing to say but wow. Wow. Do a slow turn here so you could see where the castle is behind us. And there's Michelle waiting for me patiently on a bench. Check it out. Castle behind me. Looks like they got a nice little dock down there right on the lake. I think we're gonna have to take a walk down there a little bit later and check it out. There's a cardinal there on a tree. He's trying to say hello. Well, hello to you, Mr. Cardinal. Yes. Very nice. Well, we've got reservations for dinner at Edgar's in the Castle. Let's go eat. So Michelle's starting off with a Riesling wine, and I got a nice Captain and Ginger Ale. It's like my favorite drink. Good stuff. The amazing French onion soup. What kind of soup is yours?
Broccoli Swiss.
Broccoli Swiss. Very nice. I'm jumping in that. Look at how nice and thick that soup is. That cheese. Oh yeah, look at that. That is a soup right there. That is amazing. Oh, and we both decided to get the filet mignon. I do love a good filet mignon. Yeah, it's absolutely cooked perfectly. Delicious. There's my filet and seasoned vegetables and mashed potatoes. So I had to get a shot of this. This is amazing. This is Nutella hazelnut cake, and mine is just simply called Apple Awesome. It's some sort of apple with ice cream, and it's hot, and it's just, yeah, we're gonna need an insulin shot tonight. Well, evening has settled on the lake. We just had an amazing dinner. I wanted to come out here and have one last look before it got dark. A boat going across the lake. Looks like it might actually be a nice day tomorrow. There's the castle all nice lit up at night. It looks like they've got chairs set up for a wedding. But yeah, it looks kind of nice at night. Oh yeah, look at, definitely got some turrets going there. And this is Edgar's restaurant. This is where we just had dinner, and I'm imagining this was at one time the front porch of the castle. Beautiful. I'm not quite sure what the story is here, but I don't know.
Looks like he's got a broken.
Yeah, it looks like he's got a broken nose. Look at this amazing fireplace. That's all tile mosaic right there. And we got these guys looking down at us. I think those are similar to the statues we saw upstairs before. And what castle would be complete without a suit of armor? Now this bar in here, I believe, was at one time a speakeasy during Prohibition. Looks very, very period. Oh yeah. Loving the pictures. Very cool. Nice fireplace here. And look at that hardwood. A couple of pocket doors. I also had to stop and get a shot of this beautiful grandfather clock. Check out that old exit sign right there too. Love the ironwork. Beautiful. Also very, very large vase here. Shooting out the window here, you can see the castle walls. Kind of cool. Absolutely. Always love stained glass, old stained glass. Heading up to your castle suite, are you? Looking at the view at this time of night, look, there's a nice fire pit down there. Sit and have some drinks. And you can kind of see a little bit of pink what's left in the sunset over there. A little bit later at night you could see partying still going on down there at the bar. Fire pit's really going. Well, good night, Seneca Lake. We'll see you in the morning. Well, it's morning, and I'm making a nice pot of coffee here to go take out on the balcony. Well, good morning, everybody. It looks like an absolutely gorgeous morning over Seneca Lake. And I'm just here out on the balcony enjoying my coffee. Looks like it's going to be a gorgeous day. Looks like we've got some people out on the dock already. Maybe fishing. Getting a little side shot there of that beautiful sunshine reflecting off the lake. Pub looks kind of empty this morning. A little bit early out here this morning. I wanted to get some nice shots of the backside of the castle. This is really kind of a magnificent building to stay in. Very, very nice. If you look up there, there's Michelle. Taking a walk down to the lake. Get a close-up shot. So this is interesting. You could see that railroad tracks do go through the property here. One of the original owners had made a deal when the railroad did go through that the railroad company needed to maintain this right-of-way so the owner could have full access to the lake. And I believe it's been over 100 years since that deal's been made, and they still have to honor it. Here is the signage that shows that this is private property and that the train actually has to give right-of-way to pedestrians crossing here. Very unusual. Gonna stop and look that way. Yeah, it's definitely a beautiful day out here on the lake. Gorgeous. And I'm not sure how well the camera's capturing it. It looks very blue here. Now if you look up on the hill, there's the castle. And right there was our balcony. That's pretty cool. Maybe if it was just a little bit warmer, and maybe if I had swimming apparel. There's Michelle leaving me behind as usual. I'm going to take one last shot as I'm packing up, getting ready to go. But what an amazing room this was. Well guys, that's going to do it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up down below, share this video, and tell your friends. If you're new to my channel, check out some of my other vlogs. If you like them, consider subscribing. Make sure you hit that bell so you'll be notified of any future vlogs I put up. Until next time, signing off from Geneva, New York, goodbye.